It's me, Mary.
And Freddy Fazbear.
Yeah, Freddy Fazbear is here again. Yeah.
We are back in this lobby.
I don't mind my voice if I cough a couple times. I am sick. I've been like this for a couple days now.
I also have a headache, even though I should not be doing this.
I died! No!
Well, even though I have a headache, I should not be doing this, but it doesn't matter because I'm doing this for you guys.
Yeah, he didn't want to bail out. Oh my god, I suck. You guys are gonna see me dying. You can't even see what he's doing. Bless you.
Excuse me.
Oh my god.
I have a security key. Sorry.
Key? I got a security key?
I have a security key. You can sneeze. Yappy.
Hopefully we can get past the desert one and then stop at the other one. Depends on how long this one is.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys will like part 2 of this. It's gonna be awesome and fun. What's the music down?
Yeah, it's like, wow.
Sorry. Oh.
What?
Double jump every time. My nose is off right now, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so is mine. It's like, we have like colds.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys have a good Easter, by the way, even though it's not here yet, but it's in a couple weeks. Hopefully you guys have a good Easter, and hopefully you get a bunch of candy, like I want stuff in my face.
Oh my god, I love candy. It's so great. My voice sounds so disturbing right now. But I saw that the first video, I saw that the first video of this got so many views on it.
Wait for me. Oh, dear.
Actually, Freddy noticed that the first video got so many views that he talked to me about it, so we were making a second one for you guys today. And I go back to school tomorrow. Woo! I've been off for like a couple days.
Yeah, we have like 1 month left of school, and now.
And then we can record a lot of videos during the summer. I promise. Also, on my first channel, I'll be making Season 2, Episode 1, which will be released soon.
Yep.
I did. Check out my first channel. I did an April Fool's thing, and I fooled my sister while she was at school. It was great.
I thought it was one of the episodes.
Yeah, it wasn't. I feel bad. I felt super bad.
Don't mind her. That's a little sister, Maisie. Maisie, be quiet.
Okay,
Oh, okay. I didn't tell you to shut up. I just told you to be quiet a little bit.
Woo! I'll wait for you.
Oh, this is actually really cool. That was cool.
I'm sorry, I coughed. Yeah, you feel better, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's another person
Our
here.
little sister always gets us sick.
No, I don't. I do not.
Okay.
You normally get sick second, and then you get sick third.
Oh my gosh.
Ignore our little sister here. I'm sorry.
Whee!
Actually, wait. Which episode is this of Friendship and Friends?
I don't even know. I haven't been keeping track. I'm very stupid.
No, you're not. It doesn't have to be an episode.
I just make these for, yeah.
Maisie. Wait for me.
Come on.
Oh, I just dropped that. Wait, another person.
Yeah.
Finally. This is easy. All you need to do is like, whip, walk, whippity-whippity-woo. Thanks, Maisie. You're cool.
Now, you have to be quiet now so that our viewers can hear what we're doing. Okay? Oh, I have to jump over those?
These took so goddamn long. Thank you. How are these? Wait, are we not supposed to touch these?
Probably not. Alright, which way are we going? Oh.
Maisie, I think you should go upstairs. Also, we're having another awesome breakfast. Excuse you. Oh! Okay, Maisie.
Come on. Come on,
Okay.
Freddy.
Hopefully you guys are liking the video so far.
And I'm so sorry about our annoying sister that It's really annoying.
I'm not annoying. You are annoying.
But you're 6 and I'm 15, so I get annoyed easily. No, you're 6. That's what I said.
I'm not sick.
Teenagers like us get annoyed by 6-year-olds. You just turned 6 in January.
Let's stop and start talking about these ones. Look at these awesome pitchforks. Are these pitchforks?
I don't even know if there are pitchforks.
No, they're not pitchforks, they're spears.
Yeah, you idiot. Spear.
I'm not an idiot. No, it's not. You already passed your birthday. It's almost our birthday.
Your birthday's in January 16th.
Our birthday is May 30th.
Our birthday is May 30th.
Comment down below when's your birthday. No, that's not what. Yes, we already know, Maisie. And I guess. Okay, yes, I bet everyone knows that your birthday.
Okay, viewers, my little sister's birthday is on January 16th. It already passed. She's already 6 years. She's 6 years old. Our birthday is on May 30th. We were born 2006.
You're almost 16.
And we're almost ready to drive a car.
Yeah, we have our last thing in April, actually, this month.
Your voice is so raspy.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I can't help it.
I know you can't help it. It's not your fault.
It's not your fault. I can't wait to see your video.
Wee!
Yeah, when she says Mika and Lisi,
That's her real
our
names.
real names.
Yeah, my name is Elise, my real name.
And mine is Mika. It's so unique.
But I go as Mary in this video. I just died like an asshole. Okay.
And not even Freddy Fazbear. We go as any animatronic you want. I just almost
And
died.
the springtime is watching Mika. By the way.
What? Maybe?
What, mommy? No.
Oh, this is so annoying. I'm almost dead. Literally, my life is
Goodbye, springtime. Goodbye, Mary. Goodbye. Mika, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Just please
Goodbye.
stop talking.
Go. Come on, bro. Come on, Freddy.
It's not. I'm not your bro.
I said Freddy. Come on, bro. Freddy. That's what I said.
I'm
You're
so
all the way over
sorry.
there.
Oh my God, this is so annoying.
No, you're not. Okay, come on. Come on, Freddy. Come on.
I keep dying.
It's easy.
I hate this. I'm so sorry that had to happen. I'm so sorry, everyone. That was so annoying. That was a very annoying beginning. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry.
But that's okay. Come on. Make it.
At least people will be good. Oh, what the frick? Oh. No, oh, ouch. How'd you make that?
It's because it's different for you.
Oh, I forgot. These.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, everyone. I'm so sorry, everyone.
Woo! I made it! Come on, come on. Okay, come on. Come on,
Sorry,
Freddy.
everyone. Okay,
Yeah, sorry. I died.
And just to let you know, we go to Byron Vale.
No, don't say that.
Maisie.
No. We're not supposed to talk about that. That's personal info.
At least they don't. But
We are so sorry. Everyone, I'm sorry.
Woo! Oh wait, I'm sinking.
We go to Byron Vale.
I'm so annoyed.
We go to fire.
Well, everyone, if you, I'm sorry. We do not want to restart this because if we do, then we'll be in a different area, and this is.
So we had to go for the video. I'm so sorry. You can comment down anything you like that you hate about this video. I know everybody's gonna start hating on this video. I'm sorry. You can hate it. I don't care.
Yes.
I hate this video too. Because I think I make terrible videos most of the time anyways.
Well, we got like 100 and something, 108.
Where'd you go?
Where did you go?
I didn't even make it yet.
You didn't make it yet.
Oh, there you are. Hi.
Bye. Oh my god.
I got it. I got it. Wait. Hold on. Do I have to like go on like this one next?
Everybody can hate me because I'm annoying.
No. No one's gonna.
Everybody can hate me in this game.
Okay. Shush. Be quiet.
No one's gonna hate you. That'd be rude. You're only 6 years old.
No one hates you. No one even knows you.
You have to be very quiet though. This is what we mean by videos. We want to make sure everyone is comfortable in the video.
Okay, everybody in the comment section when we get done with this video, just tell me if you want no audio in our videos. You can just have like no talking and you can just hear the game audio if you want that instead.
What? Excuse? Yeah, we can do game audio for you guys. That's not rude.
It's not rude, it's just no talking. Just game audio.
Well, then no one will know.
I've done that one before and I got a lot on the animatronic one, the Anatron. Everybody loved that one. I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed that video. That was like one of my like new. I made it like a couple months ago.
Maybe he's acting like a weirdo.
Shit.
Oh my god, please don't. Not during the video. This is be very embarrassing. Okay?
Okay, where are you at? Why are you always in front of me, man?
Who else do you want to see in our videos? Foxy, I could put Foxy, Golden Freddy. By the way, Golden Freddy in RAU is a kid. He's
Yeah.
like 8 years old.
He's my son.
Yeah, it's Mary that son. Don't keep talking with us about that. Because people are always like, Golden Freddy is just, it's Cassidy.
But I know it's Cassidy, and also I like everybody else's opinions.
Well, there's stuff down there?
Yeah.
Holy!
No.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about the lore.
We were talking about the lore, FNAF lore.
Everyone knows the FNAF lore. Everyone's like, you simp for Springtrap and all that, but like,
I do not
it's
simp
cool.
for Springtrap.
You have to now. You can listen to us, people. We like this game, and we love this game. This is one of our favorites.
Mommy!
Five Nights at Freddy's is one of our favorite games, and we
we have different lore. Wait, where are you?
Don't mind our yelling dad.
Yes, we are moving houses pretty soon.
Our parents are divorcing.
Yep.
But it's okay. I have all of you guys.
They did us through that.
Wait, where are you?
I don't know. You should not leave me because I won't be in part of the video.
But where are you? Hey, did you pass already? Oh, you did. You're right there.
Yeah.
You're ahead of me.
No. Okay.
There you are.
Hello. Why? I'm so confused about things. Why did it make it be so nice?
I don't know. She finally went up though.
Thank God. And by the way, what we're talking about, the lore? Yeah.
Yeah, the FNAF lore.
So Springtrap is John. You know from the series of...
That's on my first channel. My first channel is Springy and Fast Nights. Just search that up.
Yeah, John is kind of like from that book, Twisted Ones, like Charlie. But we don't make We don't make the John AU doesn't look like the John from the books really, but we got it off from that.
Yeah, I got the name off from the books, but my John does not look like that at all. It's he's green. He has green hair. I keep dying.
Wait, can we test this?
I keep dying.
Oh! I didn't know this was an elevator. That scared me.
I keep dying.
Where?
Where are you at?
Right
Don't go ahead of me.
Let me think of something. Okay, and also, Charlie is...
Can we touch this or no?
Yeah. And, Charlie is not Charlie, her name is Mary. And I just died.
Yeah. It's not Charlie, it's Mary. It's just Mary.
Yeah,
just because for my AU, it's just my name is Mary. I don't add Charlie to the name. I just choose Mary for my AU.
But it is funny that we actually use Ennard as Marinette's brother. We named him Sandy from the books.
Yeah. Are you coming?
Yeah, I am. Can I tell this one?
What? No. Wait, can you?
Oh, you can.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know you could. Yes! You made it! Did you make it?
Yep, I'm right here. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about, yeah, Ennard. Ennard is an AU brother for Marionette. Because they kind of look the same. And
yeah.
We did not ship Ennard and Baby. Because it looks weird. We make Ennard the uncle of Baby. And also, for Baby, we like shipping him with...
And Ennard is my brother.
Yeah. And I don't have a brother, so Golden Freddy, sometimes people think he's my brother or he's my crush, but no. He's just I'm a babysitter to him. And also, my loved one is Chica. I love Chica. She's awesome.
We're recording a video! Come on now. No! I am not running. I don't want to stop.
We're
recording this video for a while.
I know, but remember we can stop anytime.
I hope my dad doesn't come over here and yell like an idiot.
Think we should publish this video?
I died!
Mary.
What?
This is your decision.
Yeah?
Do you want to send out this video?
I guess. But it's a weird spot to stop.
Right here. This is an area.
Where do I go?
Sorry.
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh yeah, come on.
I'm hurrying. Relax! Where are you at?
I just died. I had everything over again. So, yeah.
Right here? Okay, we're stopping right here, guys.
Wait, I'm not... We don't have a safe spot.
Oh yeah, let's just get to a safe spot then.
Okay. I'm sorry everyone that this had to be interfered with things.
You guys can hate this video as much as you want. I don't really care anymore.
Focus on the video, not our voices.
Yeah. You can just watch the video. Okay, we're stopping right here.
Everyone.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that all my stupid family members had to be interference with this.
Yeah, well, we'll hopefully see you in part 3.
And we're at stage 92. Remember that number. Count it down. And remember this number.
And this man's got jumping. Yeah, jump. Woo!
All right. See you guys later. Have a great day / night.